Welcome to the Real Maxi Pets channel.
Hello everyone! You probably love winter vacations as much as we do. That's why we decided to tell you today about the most popular winter animals. Overwintering hibernation, or migration to warmer climates, is a common occurrence for most animals worldwide. However, there are other animals that appear to do best in colder climates with heaping snowfall. So let's start with the aquatic animals. Seals are very fond of icy water. In terms of size, seals can range from 3 to 16 feet and weigh from 100 to 7,000 pounds. Despite their large size and solid weight, they are more flexible and agile than even dolphins, but not as fast. All this is thanks to their streamlined body and 4 limbs turned into flippers. Seals typically live in cold ocean waters, especially in the North Atlantic, North Pacific, and Southern Ocean. And thanks to their subcutaneous fat and protected skin surface, they are resistant to cold water. Seals live most of their lives in the water, but sometimes come on land to mate, give birth, or defend themselves from predators, sharks, or killer whales. Subscribe to our channel. Walruses live in the Arctic Ocean and mainly in the waters near the North Pole. In appearance, unlike seals, they are distinguished by their large and powerful tusks, which they use to break through the ice. Walruses are also quite massive, and their weight can reach 4.5 pounds. These animals are long-lived and spend a significant part of their lives in shallow waters and on sea ice, preferably feeding on mollusks. Penguins are aquatic flightless birds that live primarily in the northern waters of the southern hemisphere. Penguins are interesting because they can survive freezing temperatures of -76 degrees Fahrenheit. This is all due to their unique body structure. They have a small head and small limbs that help limit heat loss. Penguins also have a significant fat layer under their skin, and their black feathers absorb sunlight, concentrating more body heat. Also, as you can see in the video, penguins are known for sliding through the snow on their bellies. This allows them to move faster from one place to another. Snowy owls are winter birds that live in the Arctic Circle region, but sometimes migrate to northern areas of the United States, Europe, and Asia. Due to their thick feather cover, they weigh more than other owl species, averaging 4 pounds. These feathers keep them warm. Subscribe to our channel. Ermines live in the northern parts of Asia, Europe, and North America. They often turn white in winter and live in very cold and snowy climates. Ermine fur is thick and warm. Unfortunately, these animals are often hunted by humans for their pelts because their fur is incredibly soft and warm. Ermines feed on insects, frogs, rodents, and small birds. In winter, their white coat helps them blend in with the snow and they are also very fast, so it's hard for prey to see them coming. Lynxes are large winter wild cats. They inhabit the remote northern forests of the United States and Canada, as well as northern Europe and Asia. Lynxes have thick fur that serves as a reliable coat in harsh winter conditions. They have an excellent sense of smell due to their sensitive nose. And they are also very fast, which allows them to successfully hunt hares and other small, fast forest dwellers. Subscribe to our channel. Snow leopards are a rare species of large wild winter cats. Today, these animals are facing extinction due to the problem of poaching and hunting them. Snow leopards live in the mountainous regions of northern Asia. These big cats have warm fur that is sandy white or gray in color, which allows them to stay warm and camouflage easily in snowy terrain. The Arctic wolf is one of the rarest types of winter animals and is now on the verge of extinction. The Arctic wolf is also called the polar wolf or white wolf. It is distinguished by its distinctive white-colored fur. It is found north of the extreme northern forest line of the United States, Canada, and Europe. Arctic foxes live in the Arctic regions of the Northern Hemisphere. They feel great even in freezing temperatures, as low as -58 degrees Fahrenheit. They have thick white fur and fluffy paws with thick soles that protect them from frostbite. Musk oxen also live in Arctic regions, but unlike other winter animals, they do not change their fur color to white. They are covered with a thick layer of dark fur all year round. They have unique hooves that allow them to dig through ice and snow to find food in the form of preserved plants and roots. They usually gather in large herds and use their body heat to stay warm. Subscribe to our channel. And finally, polar bears. These powerful animals live in the Arctic latitudes. They are the largest extant bear species on our planet. Their weight can reach up to 1,750 pounds. Polar bears have black-colored skin and white fur. They have a double thick layer of fur, which allows them to survive even the harshest cold weather, down to -90 degrees Fahrenheit. The soles of their feet are also covered in warm fur. It is this unique factor that helps them to move perfectly on the ice. Polar bears are primarily carnivorous and skillfully hunt seals, the meat of which is their main food. Polar bear babies, like other bear species, are especially playful and like to play with each other. Subscribe to our channel. So, we hope our video will decorate your family leisure time during the winter vacations. We sincerely thank you, our subscribers and viewers, for your interest in our channel. Love our animals and pets. They are so cute and interesting. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! We wish you a good and prosperous next year.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Real Maxi Pets channel. Like and share.